Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your personal website with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Wix account if you haven't already. Visit the Wix website and click on Get Started. Enter your email address and create a password. Once logged in, you will be greeted with a dashboard. Click on Create New Site to begin your project. Wix will ask you a few questions to help customize your experience. Choose the category that best fits your website's purpose. Select a design style that you like or choose to start from scratch. Afterward, you'll enter the Wix editor. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates. Once you pick a template, you can click on Edit Site. Navigate through the editor to customize text, images, and other elements. Next, let's automate your website's content updates. Go to the Add menu on the left. Select Blog to enable a blogging feature, which can auto-post. You can connect your blog to your social media accounts. This allows for automatic sharing of new posts. Next, consider using Wix automations. Click on the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can create automated responses for user interactions. You can set triggers like new form submissions or cart abandonment. Choose actions such as sending emails or notifying your team. After setting up automations, let's explore Wix apps. Visit the Wix App Market for additional tools. Search for apps that enhance functionality, such as email marketing or SEO. Install any app that aligns with your website goals. Next, focus on SEO to enhance visibility. Enter SEO in the search bar of your dashboard. Follow the step-by-step guide provided by Wix. Make sure to add relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.